Greetings, family. Welcome to another episode. Join me as I get ready to make my raw vegan chocolate pudding. We're going to begin with 85 grams of seamoss, followed by 100% unsweetened cacao. And then we're going to follow up with 100% raw agave. We are going to be using a lemon and we are going to be using purified water. So let's get started. First, we're going to take the sea moss out and we are going to get ready to wash it. You have to make certain you wash it very well to remove all of the debris. Now we're adding 3 cups of water and we are going to follow that with lemon and we will let it sit for 2 hours to allow it to soften. 2 hours later, as you can see, it has doubled in size and now it's time to turn it into gel. To turn it into gel, we put it into our Vitamix and we will add 2 cups of purified water to the Vitamix and then we will blend it on high to turn it into gel. Now that it's blended, look at its gel-like consistency. Now that we have the consistency we want, it's time to add our 100% cacao and our agave to taste. We will blend on high once again to incorporate the flavors of the cacao and the agave into the gel. Now it's time for our final taste test, but we're going to look at the consistency here, guys. See, it gives you a beautiful pudding-like look. That is what you want. It is going to thicken up more in the refrigerator. What we're concentrating on now is making a delicious chocolate gel. This gel isn't reserved for just pudding. It could be used to put in your coffee, amongst other things such as smoothies. Now we're going to store it in the refrigerator overnight for the next day. So I decided to infuse some of my plant-based milk with mint from my patio. I'm now taking the infused peppermint milk and I'm going to strain it and prepare it for my pudding. Look at the beautiful gel. Now it's ready to mix the gel with the peppermint infused milk, and we can add a little more sweetener if we like. Now that we're all blended, it's time to do our final taste test and plate this up, guys. This is the most delicious and easy way to prepare pudding, and it's so healthy for you. I hope you enjoyed the video, family. And until next time, keep shining because the world needs our light.